Hi there, this is Deb Blecka, and I'm going to show you how to download and use the free coloring book that I have available and out there for everyone for Halloween. So first of all, we're going to go to a Facebook page and find that link. This is a Facebook business page, so it's going to look probably a little different than yours. Yours is probably just a regular page, but this will all work exactly the same. What you're going to do is you're going to see a link just like this, and you can get this from my Facebook, my business Graphically Deb page, or you can get it from my website on graphicallydeb.com, or you maybe can get it because somebody shared it to you. Don't know. But anyway, if you see this and it's ind.adobe.com, that's because it was created in InDesign, an Adobe product. So I'm going to click on that right now, and it's going to open it up. There is the first page. You're going to have a lot of options. So first of all, if you want to navigate and you just want to see page by page, there is a little arrow on either side. Click that, it'll go to the next page. It'll advance to the next page. Bam, bam, bam. There are 23 pages, so you have a big freebie here. And so there should be something that everybody likes, whether it's grandma, mom, kids, neighbors, you name it, because there's all ages in here. I did some adult coloring, I did some of the younger, so that you have plenty to choose from. So next, if you want to just toggle through the thumbnails and see them all, you can do that. I just hit that little screen. It looks like a grid. That pulled up this down here, so you can see all of those pages, and you can pick one. Bam, bam. Or again, you have the arrow. So we'll get out of that. We'll go back to just one page. Now, if you want to go to a full screen, there is a square with arrows going out at 4 corners. Bam. Now you have a full screen. And again, you can choose some of those pictures. I'm going to come out of the full screen, maybe, by clicking that same icon. Almost anything. If you click it once, you click it again, it undoes. That helps a lot. So now, I want to print. I want to color. So I'm going to go to the download PDF. There's a cloud at the bottom down here, and I'm using my hand signals. You can't see those, I know that. So you have a cloud with an arrow pointing down. That means download. Bam. Now it's downloaded, but it's not downloading to your hard drive, so it's not using up your valuable space. It is here. You can save it, and then it will use up your space, but then it will also be on your hard drive, and you can access that anytime you want. Pretty much you can anyway. You can just go back to that link and start over. So now I'm going to go up to the printer icon. Bam. Open it up. This shows my computer or my printer. There it is. I have a choice to either save as a PDF or stay with that printer. If I do that, it naturally goes to all, which most of us don't want to do all 23 pages. So you go to custom. Now choose copies. If you're going to do a group of people and they're all going to do the same one, then you can move that to how many people you have, 5, 3, whatever. Color, black and white or color, doesn't matter because the only colored page is the cover. Next, you can say, all right, all of these pages over here will have a number on them. Let me see if I can move this over. No, I can't. Okay. But down here, you have a little arrow, and that's going to allow you to go to the different pages and see which one you want. And over here, it does show what number it is. So you can see this is page 6. So I'll put over here, I want one copy. I want page 6. There it is. Now I can hit print, or I can hit save, but print is what I wanted to do. If you want to do maybe you want to do 3 pages, hit a dash, and you can go 6 through 9. That's going to have all 3 of those ready to print. If you put a comma instead of a dash, those will be separate pages, but you can do page 6, page 9, and page 11, or whatever you choose. So that's how you do it. Then you hit print and you're ready to go. You can go back and you can save this, like I said, or you could just go back to the link. Have any questions? Let me know in those comments underneath, and I will get back to you. Enjoy.